friends, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be practicing our CVC words. If you remember, CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. These are three-letter words where we can hear each individual sound, and they always have a short vowel sound in the middle. So if we have a consonant, a vowel, that vowel is always going to be short, and then another consonant at the end, that means we have three sounds that we can sound out and read. So what we're going to be working on today is we're going to be blending and then segmenting some CVC words. So that means I'll give you the sounds and you tell me the word, and then we're going to flip it. I'll give you the word and you tell me the sounds. And we're going to practice reading some words as well by changing one letter at a time. So I'm really excited about this lesson today, friends. We have a really awesome seesaw activity. I think you're going to like it. So stay with me until the end to get that code word, and let's enjoy our lesson along the way. So to get started then, let's review our short vowel sounds. So friends, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A says A, E says E, I says I, O says A, and U says What does A say? A, very good. What does E say? Awesome, E says E. What does I say? Wonderful. I says I. What does O say? Awesome. O says aw. And what does U say? Good. U says So now let's use some of those short vowel sounds in some CVC words. Let's start with some blending. So I'm going to give you three sounds. I want you to tell me what word I am making with those sounds. So friends, what word am I making with these sounds? T. T. Hut. Very good. Our word is t. Hut. Wonderful job. That word has a short U sound, What word am I making with these sounds? D. D. Red. Very good. Ed. Red. The word red has a short E sound, Let's try another. What word am I making with these sounds? Sip. 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 Very good. Like I'm going to take a sip of water. Sip. Sip. The word sip has a short I sound, Let's do another. What word am I making with these sounds? B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. Very good. B-A-G. Bag. The word bag has a short A sound, And let's do one more of our blending. What word am I making with these sounds? Ah, Mom. Very good. Mom. The word mom has a short O sound, aw. Great job blending there, friends. So now we're going to do the reverse. I'm going to give you a CVC word, and I want you to tell me the sounds that you hear in that word. So for example, if I gave you the word mom, you would say, aw, So in this case, you're giving me the sounds instead of the other way around. Okay? Let's try a few. What sounds do you hear in the word pig? Pig. Very good. The sounds in the word pig are p, I, g. Let's try another one. What sounds do you hear in the word pug? Pug. Very good. The sounds in the word pug are p, g. If you notice, that word has two of the same sounds as the word pig. Only our vowel sound changed, right? So pig started with p, and pug also started with p. But the word pig had a short I sound, I, while the word pug had a short I sound, U, but they did both end in the sound g. So that was kind of fun and a great segue into what we're going to be doing here in just a minute. Let's do a few more segmenting words, and then we'll be looking at our whiteboard. So friends, what sound do you hear in the word cut? Cut. Very good. The sounds in the word cut are k, a, t. We hear all three of those sounds in the word cut. Awesome. Let's do two more. What sounds do you hear in the word win? Win. Very good. The sounds in the word win are w, I, n. We hear three individual sounds, w, I, n, inside the word win. And let's do one more. Friends, what sounds do you hear in the word log? Log. Excellent. The sounds in the word log are l, aw, g. Very good job, friends. That segmenting can be tough. If you were having trouble with the segmenting or telling me what sound you heard, that's okay. It can be kind of hard to do at times. Just remember you're going to listen one sound at a time. So if we are sounding out the word log, what's the first sound we hear? Log. L is going to be our first sound. Then just go to the next sound and keep going through. Awesome job. So now let's take a look at some words on our whiteboard. I'm going to put a word on our board here, and I want us to sound it out together. So the first word that we're going to be sounding out is this word here. This word is spelled D-I-P. Let's sound out this word. D-I-P. D-I-P. Dip. Very good. So this is the word dip. D-I-P. Dip. I'm going to change the beginning sound in the word dip. Who can tell me what the beginning sound is in the word dip? Very good. The beginning sound is D. So I'm going to change the sound D to the sound H. Now I've made a new word. I changed the D in dip to a H. What new word did I make? Very good. I made the word hip. Let's sound it out together. H-I-P. Hip. Awesome job. I'm going to change the I in the word hip to an aw. What new word did I make? Very good. I made the word hop. H-aw-p. Hop. I changed my vowel sound from an I to an aw to make the word hip into the word hop. Good. Let's keep going. I'm going to change the last sound in hop, so I'm going to change my p into a g. By changing p into g, what new word did I make? Very good. I made the word hog. H-aw-g. Hog. I had the word hop. I changed p into g. Now I have the word hog. Wonderful job. Let's do a few more like this. I'm going to give you a brand new word. We'll sound it out together and then we'll practice changing some of our sounds. So the new word we're going to start with here is this one. It's spelled W-I-N. Let's sound out this word together. W-I-N. W-I-N. Win. Very good. So our starting word here is win. I'm going to change the first sound in win, w, into a f. By changing w into f. What new word did I make? Very good. I made the word fin. F-I-N, fin. I'm going to change another sound now. I'm going to change the last sound in the word fin, n, into a t. By changing n into t. What new word did I make? Very good. I made the word fit. It. Fit. Great job, friends. All right, so we're going to pause it there so we can have time to explain our seesaw activity. So today on Seesaw, you're going to get to do something really fun. I think you'll like it a lot. Here we have a picture of somebody's bedroom. As you can see, one of our pictures here in the bedroom is labeled. This is a toy, so it's labeled with the word toy. Your job then is to use these other labels over here to match them to the place that they belong in our big picture. So your job here is to sound out each of these words carefully. Once you know what it says, you're going to click it, drag it over, and put it where it belongs. So you're going to need to find whatever it is that it says in that word. For example, this is the word toy. So if I sounded it out, I would need to click it and drag it over here so it's on top of the picture of the toy. Does that make sense? Awesome. So once you've sounded out each word, dragged it over to where it fits here in our picture, you're going to need to write your code word to finish up. So our code word today is fin, F-I-N. I'm going to use my text tool to write that and put it in the code word box. You can also use your drawing tool, that's fine. So remember, friends, your code word is fin. You need to read all 5 of these words and then drag them over to where they belong in the picture. Alrighty, that is all I have for you today. Great work, rock on my superstars, and I'll see y'all next time.